Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to go over how you would adjust your side mirrors on this vehicle. So first you would need your car to be in the on accessories position. And then there's a switch here. This is on the door panel. You've got your window switches right here. And then you switch that to the left to be able to adjust your driver's side one, and then left there for out, in, up, and down. Same thing to switch it to the right, and you'll do the same for your right side one, and all the same motions. And then you can put it in the center, and that way when you hit the buttons it doesn't move your window out of adjustment. So you set your mirrors to your liking so you can see the vehicles coming up on and on the side of you. And so that's how you adjust your mirrors on this 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.